Hello everybody, welcome back in TechnoWaves. Today we are taking a look at the Logitech MK240 Nano Wireless Combo Pack, a compact, stylish and affordable keyboard and a mouse set that perfect for the home or office use. Let's check it out. Here's the box. On the back side, here's some specifications. Let's unbox this. Battery cells, mouse, here's our main thing, our keyboard and our mouse. In the box we get the wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse and with a nano USB receiver, and it has two batteries for each of the keyboard and the mouse. So it looks super simple and super convenient. And we got some documentation, and this is our mouse. So this is our keyboard, you can see here. Let's test this. First we have to use this USB receiver, and here's the on button. And connect this receiver to your laptop. The cursor is working very smoothly. Yeah. Now let's check this keyboard. I will write something here. I can typing here, and the keys are very responsive. Yeah, both devices are connected wirelessly using a single nano receiver. Just plug and play, and it's don't need of a drivers, and the connection is very strong. You can see these both are very responsive and very reliable for use. These both devices connect wirelessly using a single nano receiver. Just play and plug, no drivers needed. So the connection is strong with a range of up to 10 meters, and battery is impressive too, up to 36 months for the keyboard and the 12 months for the mouse, depending on your usage. If you're looking for your budget-friendly, reliable and a portable keyboard and a mouse combo, so this Logitech MK240 Nano is a great pick. Clean design and solid performance, what more can you ask for? So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and more tech reviews, and drop your questions in your comments below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.